ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 37, ஸ்லோகா 10. பிராப்தே சப்தமகர்ப்ப தாம் அஹிபதௌ த்வத்ப்ரேரணான் மாயயா நீதே மாதவரோஹிணி த்வமபி போஹோ सचित् सुखैकात्मकः देवक्या जठरं विवेशिथ विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः स त्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे. Word by word meaning. Boho Madhava, O Madhava. Ahipatau, when the king of serpents, Adishesha, Ahihi, serpent. Saptama Garbhadam Prapte, entered the womb of Devaki at the 7th pregnancy. Tvat Preranat, at thy prompting. Mayaya, by Yoga Maya. Rohinim Nite, was taken to the womb of Rohini. Sachit Sukhaikatmakaha Tvam Api, thou who art existence, consciousness, bliss. Sat Chit Sukha, Devakyaha Jataram, Devaki's womb. Viveshitha, didst enter. He Vibho, Krishna, O all-pervading Krishna. Suraihi, Samstuya Manaha, being well praised by the Devas. Sahatvam, that thou. Me Roga Patalim, my host of ailments. Vidhuya, removing. Param Bhaktim, supreme devotion. Dehi, bestow. Full meaning. O Madhava, when Adishesha, who had entered the womb of Devaki at her 7th pregnancy, was, at thy prompting, transferred to the womb of Rohini by Yoga Maya, thou, who art existence, consciousness, bliss itself, didst enter Devaki's womb. O all-pervading Lord Krishna, may thou, who wert all praised by the Devas, while in the womb, deign to eradicate all my ailments and bestow supreme devotion on me. Note, for the praise of the Devas, see Bhagavata Skanda 10, Chapter 2, verses 26 to 40. Om Tat Sat.